Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Facebook page. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Facebook application. Make sure you are logging to your Facebook page. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon. Scroll down until you find Page Detail option. Tap on it. Now scroll down until you find Music option. Then tap on Add Music option. Tap on the plus sign at the top right corner of your screen. In the search bar, type in the music and perform a search. Now select the music that you want to add. And this is how you can add music to your Facebook page. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.